planning a trip to Puerto Rico. This vibrant Caribbean paradise offers beaches, rainforests, and rich culture. But with its tropical climate and diverse activities, packing smart is key. Stick around as we guide you through the ultimate packing list for Puerto Rico. Let's start with Puerto Rico's climate. This tropical island enjoys warm temperatures year-round, ranging from 75 to 85 degrees, 24 to 29 degrees. However, there are two main seasons to consider. The dry season, from December to April, is perfect for beach days and outdoor adventures. The wet season, from May to November, brings short, refreshing showers. But don't worry, it rarely rains all day. No matter when you visit, these items are non-negotiable for your Puerto Rico trip. Lightweight, breathable clothing like cotton t-shirts, shorts, and dresses, comfortable sandals and walking shoes for exploring, sunscreen, sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat to protect against the Caribbean sun. A reusable water bottle to stay hydrated in the heat. Swimwear for the beaches, pools, and waterfalls. If you're visiting during the dry season, expect sunny skies and warm breezes. Pack for comfort and style. Casual beachwear for relaxing by the water. A light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings in the mountains or near the ocean. Beach accessories like a sarong, beach bag, and waterproof phone case. Visiting during the wet season, expect some tropical showers. Here's what to bring to stay comfortable and prepared. A compact travel umbrella or lightweight rain jacket. Quick dry shirts and pants for outdoor activities. Waterproof sandals or shoes for walking through puddles. Bug spray to keep mosquitoes at bay, especially in the evenings. Puerto Rico offers so many activities, so pack according to your plans. For example, for rainforest hikes, bring sturdy hiking shoes, a small backpack, and a refillable water bottle. If you're heading out to snorkel or dive, pack a snorkel set, reef-safe sunscreen, and water shoes. For urban exploring, comfortable walking shoes are a must. Don't forget these extras to make your trip smooth and enjoyable. A portable charger to keep your devices powered all day. A camera or smartphone to capture Puerto Rico's beauty. A travel adapter if you're coming from outside the U.S. Basic first aid supplies and motion sickness tablets if you're planning boat trips. Before you go, here are some quick tips to make packing a breeze. Use packing cubes to stay organized and save space. Bring a collapsible tote bag for souvenirs. Don't overpack. Laundry services are available in most tourist areas. Lastly, pack light and leave room for local goodies like rum, coffee, and handmade crafts. And there you have it. Your ultimate packing guide for Puerto Rico. With this checklist, you'll be ready to embrace the island's beauty and adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Puerto Rico packing tips in the comments below. Happy travels!